O basta kung tama ang ginagawa ng administrasyon, suportahan natin, purihin natin. Kapag anong ginagawa ngayon? O ito, programa.
Show you something, baby. I'll show you something that you've never seen before.
Muli, ang mga grupong sining pangkultura ng pamantasang De La Salle. La Salle Dance Company. Sa supervisyon ng kanilang choreographer na sa Ginoong Peter Alcedo Jr. Ang aming production crew, ang Harlequin Theater Guild.
City of Manila, Sining at Kalinangan sa Baywalk. Presented on this 29th day of March 2000 kay Dean Voltaire Mestades ng De La Salle University.
At nung sinabi ko kay General Santiago, Manila is open city to you. Pag meron kayong nalalamang operasyon, go for it. You don't need to notify me. O, ayoko na red tape. Basta meron kayong informasyon. Basta inamalan yung dapat manghuli kayo sa Manila. Nasabihin ko na lang, kaya General Rosales, and the officers and members of the Manila Police District to strengthen the campaign. Not only against vice, against drugs, but also all forms of violence. Because we want Manila to be clear of all these illegal activities. Hindi, wala. Yung kay Manila, yung namamalitaan namin na is taking drugs, siyempre, we told him to better stop it. Ayun yung mga kapatid niya, kawagan sa akin, nag-iiyakan at tinatanong, what happened to him? Sabi ko, you better attack him. Because I have no time to talk to Manila. I consider him because he's very victor of the law. Hindi. Dahil naman nila, may standard dish. Bata pa yung mga yan, sinabi ko na sa kanila, pinapaalalahanan ko. Pag kayo, nasangkot sa mga hindi magandang gawain, I will never bother to assist anyone of it. Ngayon naman, mga lumaki naman yan, puro mga motibo naman. Pero na silang maligay niyang pamilya. Nagulat nga kami, because of family problem, they were not able to strengthen his resolve to face squarely his problem with his wife and children. Ginawa na ng PDEA yung kanilang tungkulin and recommend them. O kung ano yung formal investigation,
for his welcome remarks, the Honorable City Mayor, the Honorable Alfredo Lim.
Ako po kayo. Maraming salamat kaibigan Dr. Nelly Acosta.
ang ibig sabihin po, hindi pwedeng manatili kayo doon sa tuktok, sa itaas ng habang buhay. Kinakailangan bumaba kayo.